Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the source Google Drive and then the destination account in separate browser profiles or incognito windows. You do this because it avoids permission conflicts and accidental overwrites. Once signed in, check storage quotas and note which folders are shared so you can reproduce access. Make sure to enable two-step verification for both accounts for safety. Now open the source drive and select the first folders or files you plan to transfer so the actual copy begins immediately. Use the method that fits your scale. For a handful of files, select them, choose Download and then Upload to the destination, or share and use Add Shortcut to Drive to retain ownership links. For many items, create a shared folder and move files into it so you can transfer ownership in bulk. This preserves permissions and timestamps better. If you need everything, run Google Takeout to export data and then import into the new account. Once done, verify file integrity by opening key documents. Finish by transferring ownership on shared files and updating any links to point to the destination account so collaborators keep access. You should then spot-check document versions, images, and large files to confirm they open correctly. This prevents surprises later. If something fails, retry the transfer in smaller batches and check both account storage limits, as well as API or rate limits that can block bulk moves. One key tip: if permissions won't change, remove and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.